So in this class we are going to discuss about interference in thin films. So consider a thin film having a thickness d and refractive index mu. So a light is incident at a point A having an angle of incidence psi. So this is the upper surface of the thin film, this is the lower surface of the thin film. So here that upper surface, so the light is incident, it is reflected then refracted. So that incident wave is split into two in the upper surface. One is reflected, another one is refracted. Again inside the thin film in the lower surface. So the refracted light is again split into two. One is reflected, another one is transmitted out. So here the reflected light and transmitted light both produce the interference pattern. So we are going to find for transmitted light what is the condition. So here just see the angle of incidence I is equal to 0, that is normal incidence, that is perpendicular to the plane. So for transmitted means, so the light from the point B and D, so the light wave, so that is a transmitted out. So B is transmitted out from is incident, reflected, part is refracted, transmitted out, but the light from the D, so it is before from the point D it travels the additional distance, that is BC plus CD. So that is BC plus CD. So D is the thickness of that thin film. So just if it is angle of incidence I is equal to 0, so it goes again, it comes, so it is reflected back. So it is reflected back. So lot of multiple reflections takes place inside the thin films. So the additional path, that is BC plus CD, that is 2D. So what is the optical path difference delta having a refractive index of thin film mu? So delta equal to 2 mu d. If you find that, then construct the interference for transmitted light. So both are in phase, but the d before that it travel a distance BC plus CD, that is 2d. So the optical path difference delta equal to 2 mu d. So for constructed interference the condition is 2 mu d equal to n lambda. If it is destructive interference, 2 mu d equal to 2 minus, that is 2n minus 1 lambda by 2. So in similar for reflected light, so at the point A is reflected, at the point C is also reflected, but so that C, the reflected light from the point C, it travels an extra distance AB plus BC. Again the thickness, the angle of incidence I, that is normal incidence. So AB plus BC, that is equal to 2D. So the optical path difference, that is delta equal to 2 mu d. But for reflected light, so both theoretically and experimentally proved. So the light is traveled here, this is a rarer medium, that is air. So this is a denser medium, so thin film. So light is incident, then it is refracted and reflected. So it is reflected back by the denser medium, so it have a path difference, that is lambda by 2, phase change pi. So we need to consider that additional path difference lambda by 2. So this is the rule. So light is incident and reflected back by the denser medium, there should be a additional path difference, that is lambda by 2. So 2 mu d plus lambda by 2 equal to n lambda. So this is a new one. So construct the interference for reflected light, 2 mu d plus lambda by 2 equal to n lambda. So just that lambda by 2 goes to right hand side, so minus lambda by 2. So the 2 goes the numerator, so 2n lambda minus lambda, so whole divided by 2. So just take that 2n common, so 2n minus 1. So 2n minus 1 lambda by 2, so that is taking common that lambda by 2, so 2n minus 1. So final result 2 mu d equal to 2n minus 1 lambda by 2 for constructed interference for reflected light. If it is for destructive interference, so again that additional path difference lambda by 2 should be considered. So 2 mu d plus lambda by 2 equal to 2n plus 1 lambda by 2. So again the same 2n lambda by 2 plus lambda by 2. So 2 cancel, you will get n lambda plus lambda by 2. So in the left hand side, so that is lambda by 2. If it goes to right hand side, it becomes minus. So plus lambda by 2 minus lambda by 2, it's cancel, you will get 2 mu d equal to n lambda for destructive interference. So in this class we will discuss the interference in thin films bar both transmitted light as well as